Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market in our second video as usual. So on the daily chart, price action that we saw on Friday mostly confirms our suggestion that gold market in the short-term perspective will have some problems with the downward continuation. And despite that, overall sentiment stands bearish on the market and momentum to the downside is rather strong. Currently, gold has hit some important targets. So take a look at on the daily chart. Market has reached 127 extension of the butterfly pattern. Also, this is 618 minor extension contraction objective point of our major A, B, C top pattern. So here's 618 extension. And finally, as you can see, that's what's more important is oversold. So market has completed all these targets right at oversold. That's why, despite the strong downward momentum, and as you can see, really thrusting action here, market needs some time out. So some temporal relief that will let just to exit and abandon the oversold before downward continuation. Next target that could be reached by the market stands around 1230, because this will be 1618 extension of the butterfly, and also inside the butterfly we have inner A, B, C top pattern, and here we will get XOP target. You can see XOP, extended objective point, which means 1618 extension. That's by the Judd-Napoli framework. So, that being said, on the daily chart, we expect some relief, and then downward continuation right at 1230. Also, take a look on Friday action, guys. It was really tight range. Despite the non-farm payroll release, gold market wasn't able to show any downward continuation. And tweezers have been formed here. So, when the market forms two candles with the same bottom or top, it increases chances on possible retracement. Tweezers is a very helpful tool that very useful for technical retracements. The tweezer doesn't show, doesn't tell how deep retracement will be, but it confirms the fact of the starting of the retracement. So that's why it's very useful to monitor the bearing of the tweezers. So that's what we see on the daily chart. Longer term analysis, guys, suggests that relatively free area stands till the 1211 area, 1211 lows. And there will be a very important moment, because there 1210, 1211 stands long-term support line. Depending on what will happen around 1211, this will be a very decisive moment for the gold market. So market could form as significant bullish pattern, upside pattern, or in a situation of the possible breakout of the 1211, this will be also a very important moment that could change the long-term situation on the chart, on the monthly chart, on the weekly chart. But right now, on the next week, we mostly will be watching for bounce up and downward action to 1230. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, we could say that two levels exist where market could show retracement. This will be first to 1256. Next one is more reliable. It sells in 1264 confidence resistance. But also 1264, as you can see, is the bottom of the previous consolidation. So here was the triangle, or you could draw just a horizontal line here. This will be the previous support of the consolidation, and the gold market likes to retest broken consolidations. This is just a habit of the gold market. There's two major habits actually on the retracement on the gold market. It's the deep retracements, and second is the retesting of the previously broken important support and resistance lines. That's why it really could happen that 1264 also could be reached on upward retracement. So if you would like to take the long position here, you need to wait for some patience, because actually, guys, we do not have any clear bullish reversal patterns here. The double repo pattern that we have talked previously, as you can see, it hasn't got any proper shape. So yes, some kind of action has happened, but it's not really the double repo action. It means that we need to wait for something more clear if you would like to take the position on this retracement. For others who trade on the daily chart, all that you need to do is just wait when this retracement will be over. Maybe market will form some bearish continuation pattern, for example, Gartner's 222 sell that we use very often to step into the trend that already stands on the market. And then that just taking about the short position on 1230 target. That's our trading plan for the gold market. So let's see how situation will develop, and I hope that in the coming week we will get some clear patterns for trading here.